Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you have been a great day. The idea for this video came to me recently and I want to share it with you. I would like to show you that with the help of ordinary things, you can create a canvas for drawing zentangle patterns, doodling or even watercolor painting. The idea is very simple. I recycle cardboard boxes from shipping, like from Amazon, or any cardboard boxes from hardware or whatever you have. The main thing is that you no longer need this box, and most likely you will just throw it away. I too just throw the boxes in the trash, but recently I discovered that this box is a great source of free canvas for my painting and drawing. Basically, I just take the box apart and then shape it with scissors. I usually cut the outline to create small rectangles or squares that I use to draw simple zentangle patterns on my shirts. Feel free to create any shape or form you want. It's really fun and make you feel happy because you are not only taking part in creating something beautiful, but also helping the environment. Cool, right? Feel free to try. I hope you enjoy it and let me know how it goes. See you soon in my new videos. Take care and be kind to yourself.